Hold on to your hats, folks, because here's a zinger. The global market for artificial intelligence in the video industry is projected to grow by an astounding 60% by the end of this decade. That's right, 60%. It's a brave new world out there, and it's being shaped by the power of AI. Now, before you start picturing robots taking over the director's chair, let's make one thing clear. AI isn't here to replace the human touch in video creation. Rather, it's a tool that can make the process faster, more efficient, and yes, even more creative. Take the case of the award-winning short film Sunspring. What's so special about it, you ask? Well, it was written entirely by an AI. The AI, named Benjamin, was fed a diet of sci-fi scripts, and using machine learning, it produced a script of its own. The result was a unique, if somewhat bizarre, piece of cinema. But the potential it showcased was undeniable. This isn't just about writing scripts either. AI can help at every stage of the video creation process. It can assist in editing by automating the process of cutting and splicing footage. It can help in post-production by applying color grading and special effects. It can even contribute to the distribution phase by optimizing the video for different platforms and audiences. And here's the best part. You don't need to be a tech wizard to harness the power of AI in your video projects. There are a host of tools out there designed to be user-friendly and accessible to everyone. Tools like Runway ML, which offers an intuitive interface for AI-assisted video editing, or Lumen 5, which uses AI to transform text into video content. So why not dip your toes into the world of AI-assisted video creation? It doesn't have to be a sci-fi short film or a blockbuster movie. It could be as simple as a vlog, a tutorial, or a promotional video. The important thing is to start experimenting, to start learning, to start exploring the potential of this powerful tool. Remember, AI isn't about replacing the human element in video creation. It's about enhancing it. It's about freeing up time and energy for the things that really matter: the storytelling, the creativity, the passion. So take the leap, embrace the future, and see where AI can take your video projects. You might just be surprised at the results. And who knows? Maybe your next project could be the next Sunspring, breaking boundaries and turning heads. Because with AI, the possibilities are quite literally endless. So there you have it, folks. The future of video creation is here, and it's powered by AI. It's time to seize the moment, to embrace the technology, and to create something truly extraordinary. After all, isn't that what filmmaking is all about?